Okay, say hi.
Hi.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kimberly. His name is Kid. Say hi. And today we are going to be unboxing something my mom has been wanting for a very long time, So she decided to get it today. So today we are going to be unboxing an air fryer. So the company that made this air fryer is Born, and it is at 5.5 liters from Hot Point in Imara Mall.
Can you open it now?
Slowly.
This is the moment he has been looking for. It already has that new thing smell. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What is that there? 3, 2, 1. Remove. Wow, this thing is so big. So we have the cable and the manual. Oh my god. Okay, so now we are going to remove this. What? Wow. The most satisfying part. Huge. Look at how big this thing is. My mom's dream come true. So one big reveal. So when you press here, it takes you through the menu. Like we have P. We have fries, which when you press menu, it takes you to fries. It's in fries mode. Then we have shrimp. We have ribs. We have chicken, fish, steak, cheese, and bacon. So when you press this button, it adds the amount of time. And when you press this button, it decreases the amount of time. When you press this button and it's cooking, it will pause the cooking so that you could add your spices and stuff. And this button is for on and off. So now we're going to try and cook some sausages with this air fryer. So I'm going to pour the oil inside, then spread it in a quick motion so that it will get everywhere enough. So mom, what part in the menu are you going to use?
The bacon maybe.
Oh, okay. So now I'm going to arrange them inside. Of course, the defrost, top, and then spread it really quickly. Then we're going to start setting our air fryer. And I am done. Oh, so now we're going to set our air fryer, put it inside. Until it is good and ready to cook. Turn it on. Menu. Then the minutes. How many minutes are you going to do?
5.
5. So now it is ready because the timer is off. So we
Yeah.
oh wow. Okay, so
Okay, open now.
oh
Wow, look at that.
No more use of oil. No more use of too much oil.
Look at that. Wow.
They are ready and they are looking gorgeous. They are like a golden brown color. Oh, it's hot. Then try it. Huh. It's good, but hot. Oh. Hot. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you like this video or not, and tell your friends, your family about this YouTube channel so that we could grow as much as we can. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.